Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Whenever you play the game onto the Xbox or to the Steam, you got a DirectX error which says DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have installed MSI Afterburner or ASUS Crate Armory, make sure you disable these two programs, Afterburner as well as Armory Crate. These two softwares seems to be conflict with the Xbox and Modern Warfare 3, which in turn gives you the DirectX error. Nextly is, if you have overclocked your CPU, make sure you either disable the overclocking or reduce the overclocking of your GPU and then launch the game to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, in next step simply launch the game and open the settings of the game. Under the settings, you will find the option of quality. From here, scroll down and you will find the option of path tracing and ray reconstruction. Make sure you turn this setting off. After turning these settings, in next step, head over to settings menu, click on the option system and click on the option display over here. Scroll down and click on the option graphics. From here, click on the option change default graphic settings. In this default graphic settings, if you find the option of GPU hardware acceleration, make sure you turn it off. After turning off GPU hardware acceleration as well as path tracing, go ahead, relaunch the game, and this will fix out the issue of DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error. If this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, here is the official website of the Modern Warfare 3. Whenever I go ahead and scroll down, I'll expand the Modern Warfare 3 game. And here you will find the recommended drivers for the NVIDIA as well as AMD. So make sure you install these recommended drivers. To do so, head over to the official website of the AMD, type in the name of your graphic card. Suppose I have an Radeon RX 5500M and select it and click on the option search. Depending on what type of Windows you have, expand it. From here you need to find the driver number. Here it is 24.7.1. But driver you required is 23.10.2. So scroll down and you need to click on the option previous drivers. Again expand it. Now scroll down and here is the relevant drivers 23.10.2. Go ahead and install this driver into your PC. For NVIDIA also, here is the official website. Just type in all the information and then click on the search option to find the driver relevant to 546.29. Once downloaded, install these drivers into your system to fix out the issue of COD Modern Warfare 3 DirectX error on Xbox game. If this also failed, in last step, you need to head over to this PC, C drive, program files x86, find a folder with the name Call of Duty. Open it and here open retail folder. You need to copy all these files of the retail folder by pressing Ctrl+A key. After selecting all the data, right click and choose the option copy. Once you copy all the files, you need to paste these files into the Xbox game directory, which is available in C drive, Xbox game, Call of Duty content folder. I mean, you need to paste all these files in the directory of the Call of Duty, which is downloaded using the Xbox game bar. One more thing friends, if these files or you are not able to see this particular folder, you need to install battle.net and then install the game. After you install the game using battle.net, this folder will be available. Only then you can copy all the files present in this folder and then paste it into the directory of the Xbox game bar. Once done, restart your PC and relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.